Bookkeeping is the systematic process of recording, classifying, organizing, and maintaining financial transactions in an accurate and orderly manner. It ensures that financial records are up to date, providing a clear picture of a business's or individual's income, expenses, and overall financial health. As the foundation of financial reporting, bookkeeping is essential for decision-making, tax reporting, and maintaining financial stability by keeping track of all money coming in and going out. How bookkeeping helps a business. Make informed decisions. What it means. Business owners use financial records to track how well their business is doing and make smart choices. It helps them manage expenses, adjust pricing, and decide on business growth. Example, Sarah notices that sales are increasing but profits remain low. She checks her financial records and realizes that ingredient costs have gone up. Action, she adjusts her pricing to maintain a healthy profit margin. Why this matters. Without bookkeeping, Sarah wouldn't realize that her costs were cutting into her profits. Comply with tax and legal requirements. What it means, businesses must report income and expenses accurately to pay the correct taxes. Governments require proper tax filing based on financial records. Example, Sarah's bakery earns $50,000 per year and has $30,000 in expenses. She must report the remaining $20,000 as taxable income. If Sarah forgets to record some income, she might underpay taxes and face penalties. Why this matters? Proper bookkeeping prevents costly tax mistakes and avoids legal trouble. Monitor financial health. What it means, keeping track of assets, what the business owns, liabilities, what it owes, and cash flow, money in and out, helps a business stay stable. For example, Sarah checks her financial records and sees that her expenses are increasing faster than her sales. So, she decides to cut unnecessary costs before running out of money. Why this matters? Without bookkeeping, businesses might not realize they are losing money until it's too late. Prepare financial statements. What it means. Bookkeeping organizes financial data into useful reports that help business owners, investors, and lenders understand profits, debts, and cash flow. For example, a bank asks Sarah for her income statement and balance sheet before giving her a loan. Since she keeps proper records, she can quickly provide accurate financial reports. Why this matters? Financial reports help businesses get loans, attract investors, and plan for the future. Ensure transparency and accountability. What it means? Bookkeeping provides a clear and honest record of financial activities. This is important for audits, investors, and lenders. For example, if Sarah is audited by the tax office, she can show receipts and invoices to prove her income and expenses are correct. Why this matters? Accurate records build trust with investors, banks, and tax authorities. End of Basic Bookkeeping, Module 1, Part 1.